What the dog doing?
Buat saya lebih berani.
Sisanya nggak punya teman.
Iya, jadi kita tuh harus memiliki identitas kalau misalnya gitu.
Pertanian dan peternakan.
Terus kalau
apa tulisannya? Sedang menjadi manusia. Karena abis itu jadi Raja Wali.
Karawa buaya dulu, Mbak.
Sumimasen, bukan ya? Itu emang artinya apa?
Maaf, nggak sih?
Bisa jadi itu wajahku sendiri.
Tahu keling nggak?
Tahu
Keling itu bahasa Jakarta atau
Keling
bahasa
tuh
Indonesia?
bukan bahasa Jawa ya? Nggak tahu.
Kita lagi di
Kantor, satu
Yes.
kantor cek.
cek
After work hang for colleagues. Keren. So, this is for my personal diary. Agustus 13, jadi udah agak setengah jalan. Dan jujur sih Agustus ini penuh banget ya, say. I'm learning new things in real time and going face to face with people with years of experience, years of knowledge, and overall I think I'm having fun and I'm learning a lot here. Yeah, that's that. So, bye. Kita habis nonton Weapons, best. Kayak apa? Menurut lu itu di dalam mimpi gak sih? Sumpah, kayak orangnya mimpi bangun. Iya juga ya anjing.
iya. Sumpah hebat banget.
Mana sih dia? Go little rockstar.
Udah bengek nih.
Wih, ditepukin deh. Wih, kayaknya dia jago deh. Touchdown bro, touchdown. Paham guys? Ngerti nggak? Keren ya?
Touchdown.
Keren kali.
Emang kalau atlet kalau lagi capek kayak gitu posisinya. Wih, oh my god, that's my boy. Nah, agak pincang tuh kalau gue lihat.
Tapi dia tetap lari loh dia.
Apa yang dua?
Iya,
Salam kenal.
dua.
Ini ya.
Kalau kamu menemukan video ini, kamu harus tahu kalau misalnya kita bangga banget sama kamu.
Semoga amin.
Lay mineral kan.
Iya, kita tunggu. Kita yakin
Bus TG yang itu ya dia.
suatu hari kamu akan ada di sana. Oke.
Coba karunya deh.
Rasa enak.
Kayak manis.
Rating Demon Slayer.
It's 9 out of 10.
Tinggi banget.
Aku suka.
Oke. 8.
tinggi banget.
7 sih sebenarnya, tapi gara-gara
Kenapa? Tujuhnya
gara-gara
kenapa?
kamu 9 aku jadi 8.
Tujuhnya kenapa?
Tanjiro-nya berisik.
Banget.
Sisanya bagus.
Setuju.
Tanjiro-nya aja. Kayak,
Betul.
bisa nggak? I love Zenitsu. Zenitsu in my heart.
Sekarang lagi menjaga makan, gue makan atau gue pengen makan anjir. Gue takut itu perasaan yang gue gak mau rasain lagi anjir.
Iya, paham lagi.
What the dog doing?
Sushi koma. Nggak kelihatan perutnya. Hi guys, we're back with this Mac camera dengan segala buiram-buiramnya. Tapi kali ini backgroundnya ada di kamar. Cause right now I'm working from home. Ini agak berantakan, tapi ya yaudah ya. Yeah, I'm working from home right now cause the current state of the country is kinda tense. The last week of August is very different than like minggu-minggu sebelumnya. Not unexpectedly, I think, because we know that this is coming. Memberikan beberapa tuntutan atau beberapa aspirasi kepada pemerintah. And sadly, unfortunately, instead of being heard and given the chance to give our thoughts and our requests, we are met with violence. We are met with provocation and just, I think, a lot of brutality that is very uncalled for and is very cocky from the government side. Unfortunate is an understatement gitu. I really hope that things will look up from here because we already like have a lot of summary, a lot of contained information tentang apa sih yang sebenarnya kita butuhkan, dan sebenarnya itu udah tinggal didengerin doang. On another note, on a happier note, I want to talk about Sabrina Carpenter's new album Man's Best Friend, which is so freaking good. Kayak album itu keluar di tengah malam 29, which 28 Agustus itu bener-bener kayak chaotic banget. 28 malam tuh gue masih baca-baca berita, masih marah-marah dan sebagainya, and then the clock hits 12. I wanna go to bed, but I was like, let me listen to this album first. Lagu pertama, Man Child, we know what that is. And then lagu kedua, Tears, oh, this is so cute. This is so different than what I pictured it to be. And lagu ketiga, lagu keempat, gue kayak, gila ini bagus banget, coy. I really like storytelling kind of song. The first time I fell in love with like storytelling lyrics, I think, is with Alec Benjamin. Gue suka banget karena lagu dia tuh sangat naratif. And that's what her lyrics in this album are to me. I really like the beat. I think it's very giving. Some of it is very giving ABBA. And I think she's pulling inspiration from like 60s, 70s, 80s, like disco, and then there's soul, and then there's this and that. And like, I'm not an expert in music, but I'm just really enjoying like the different sounds that I get from like the different songs. So it's fair to say that she has been helping me get through these tough times. What I do is that I just put her on and then I get to work, and I think it helps me with, you know, feeling a little bit lighter and then not having so much thoughts in my head, so that at that moment I could like do my work, because mau gak mau aku harus kerja gitu. It's very much a roller coaster, because then I will be done with work, I will like turn off my music, and then I open like my social media to like read news, articles, updates, and it's just like bad after bad after bad after bad news. To the people that I hate, you know who you are. This is on you. This is on you. I think that's how I'm gonna end the August video. Thank you so much for listening. Let's hope for a brighter September. Stay safe, stay healthy, be with your family. I don't know who I'm talking to in this, but like, goodbye. Bye.